Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing a DIY facial at home. So first I like to put my hair in a headband to get my hair out of the way. Then I like to put some relaxing music to get me in the mood, you know, like I'm at the spa. Before I start my facial, I like to clean my face with the Garnier Micellar Water. I love this product because it's so sensitive. It literally has no oil, no alcohol, and no fragrance. I have acne prone skin, so most products can easily cause breakouts. That's why I love how gentle this is on my face. I add this on a cotton pad and then I clean all around my face and also my neck. Don't forget your neck, you guys. That is where the most dirt is. As you guys saw, I came to you raw. My skin isn't the most perfect, and that's why we'll work together to battle those imperfections. Then I go in with this egg white mask. This mask is perfect if you want to instantly get rid of blackheads, whiteheads, and it leaves your skin very soft. So I like to take a toilet paper and then I split it in half and then I add one of those pieces on my face. Then I add more egg yolk on top of it to make it stick even better. Do this to the rest of your face until you look like a mummy. If you're doing this, make sure to avoid your eyebrows and your sideburns because it will rip your hair off. So when I'm fully done, I like to leave it on my face for 10 minutes and then I use my fan to make the drying process even faster. You guys, you want to be careful when removing this thing because this thing hurts. It hurt so bad. But you could literally see the white hats and the black hats on the toilet paper. But as usual, I forgot to show you guys, but I will show you in my next video, okay? So to get that nasty smell off my face, I like to wash my face now. And I use the Dove soap. Yes, it says that it's gentle for the face, so I like to use that. I use my Proactiv spin brush. I actually got it from Influencer. So this Hello Kitty brush from Proactiv did a great job at cleaning my face, but I couldn't use it for long because the bristles on this brush are so hard that I had to use my hands after. Then I pat my face dry with a tissue paper. You can already see how my face is so smooth and so clean. Then I go over to steaming. Yes, I am not like the other beauty gurus that have that steaming thing. I just have a regular old plastic container. You just need a towel over your head, steam for 5 minutes, and you get the exact same result as that steamer thingy. After my pores are open from steaming my face, I like to go in with an exfoliator. I use my DIY sugar scrub This scrub contains brown sugar, olive oil, honey, and tea tree oil. This process is very messy, so after I'm done scrubbing, I like to wipe it off with some baby wipe to be gentle on my skin. And then I go in with a mask. The mask I'm using is by the brand Ideal Care, and because I use a exfoliator, I like to soothe my skin with the green tea wash off mask. This helps to calm and balance my skin. After all that exfoliating on my lips, I like to go in with the Patchology Hydrating Lip Gel. This helps to moisturize and soften your lips. After the gel, after 5 minutes, my lips felt very hydrated and revitalized. So now I go in with my toner. This is a DIY orange peel toner. If you want to know how I make it, just comment down below. After that, I like to go in with a serum. This serum got recommended to me and it helps to treat your blemishes. Lately, I've added serum to my skincare routine and my skin has changed tremendously. As the last step to my facial, I like to moisturize my skin, but I haven't found the perfect moisturizer yet, so I add this oil, this sweet almond oil. This almond oil helps to nourish and moisturize your skin. To keep my lips smooth and chapped free, I add some Vaseline Lip Therapy Lip Balm. That's a lot of words. But yeah, this keeps my lips smooth and chapped free. Then, as the very last step, I add some tea tree oil. Tea tree oil contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties to help treat your breakouts or your acne. So I add it on a Q-tip and I add it on my pimples. So that was it for my DIY facial at home. My skin feels so smooth. If you watched till the end, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye guys!